Hi and welcome. In previous tutorials, you learned how to create default workbook and worksheet templates, as well as personal workbook templates in Excel. Now, let's explore how to add a worksheet based on a template to your workbook. Simply right-click on a Sheet tab and select Insert to open the Insert dialog box. This will allow you to choose from various template options for your new worksheet. The dialog box has two sections. The General page allows you to choose from options to insert a blank worksheet, a chart sheet, or any available worksheet templates. The Spreadsheet Solutions page offers a selection of useful templates for various financial and personal tasks. To insert a template, simply click on the one you want and then click OK. You'll see a preview of the template's contents, so you can confirm it's the right one before adding it to your workbook. If you haven't found a template that meets your needs, simply click the Templates on Office.com button in the Spreadsheet Solutions tab of the Insert dialog box. This will open Excel's template gallery online. Here, you can browse or search for specialized templates, download them, and use them directly in your workbook. Simply select a template you like, download it, and it will be ready for use in your workbook. Now, I'll show you how to set up an Excel worksheet template that you can quickly insert with a simple right-click on the Sheet tab. This is a great time saver if you often need to add sheets with the same layout. Once saved, your template will be available in the General tab for easy access. First, let's create the sheet we want to use as a template. Design this sheet exactly as you'd like, with any tables, formulas, labels, or formatting you want to appear every time. Once it's set up, we'll save it as a template. To save it as a template, go to File, select Save As, and choose Excel Template as the file type. This will save it with the .xltx extension or .xltm if it contains VBA code or macros. After selecting the file type, save it in Excel's XLSTART folder so it can be easily accessed as a template. To locate XLSTART, type %appdata% in the Save As address bar, then navigate to Microsoft folder, then Excel folder, and then XLSTART folder. Finally, click Save to save your workbook as a template in the XLSTART folder. After saving your template in the XLSTART folder, close it, then open a new workbook. Now right-click on any sheet tab, select Insert, and you'll see a list of available templates. Locate the template you saved, select it, and click OK. Just like that, your custom sheet template is added, complete with all your design, layout, and formatting. To make this even more effective, remember that any formulas, data validation, or conditional formatting you added to the template will be preserved every time you insert it. This can save you a ton of time if you're working with repetitive tasks. And that's it. You've now created an Excel worksheet template that you can instantly insert with just a right click. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please share it, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe for more time-saving Excel tips. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new content. See you in the next video.